Raj Yash, excellence endures. India is the fastest growing country in the world after China. Here diversion of languages, traditions, dressing and religions along with age-old cultural heritage are the strengths of the nation. Gujarat, one of the prosperous Indian states in the growth engine of the nation. Gujarat is also a land of legends. Our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi is the soul of Ahmedabad, body of Gujarat and vision of the nation. Ahmedabad is one of the best cities to live in India. Forbes magazine ranked Ahmedabad as the third fastest growing city of the decade. Ahmedabad is now flooded with malls, multiplexes, premier institutes and all forms of development and has become the financial capital of India in recent past. Ahmedabad has undergone many modernized beautifications such as the most successful initiatives of BRTS and number of flyovers to ensure fastest transit system, Sabarmati Riverfront Project, Gift City, global IT and finance hub, and mainly beautiful infrastructure growth. The Raj Yash Group. Raj Yash Group has played significant role to make the city one of the finest destinations to live and grow with great joy and happiness. Raj Yash Group for the last 30 years serves people of the nation not only by providing just the home, but also the most happy and luxurious lifestyle. The group consisting of young, energetic and extremely committed professionals and has contributed greatly in redefining the skyline of Ahmedabad after successfully completing more than 75 projects and more than 2,100 happy living family under one roof. Our properties consist of high-rise apartments, low-rise flats, bungalows, shopping centers, farmhouses and lot more in prime locations that cater the needs of Ahmedabad's ever-increasing population and migration towards Ahmedabad. Raj Yash Group is professionally managed and has a significant force in the intensely competitive market. This is because we treat our clients with great respect and dignity, always. The motto that inspires this group is the name itself, that reflects. R represents reputed and reliable group, provides royal and rapturous lifestyle with great return.
બિલ્ડરનું રેપ્યુટેશન બહુ સરસ છે.
I selected Raj Yash Group because of major three reasons. One is the trusted name of the company, second is the reliability and the transparency, and third is very good amenities they have provided at a very cost effective way.
Return. All our properties get attractive return within a shorter span. A stands for Art of Infrastructure.
ત્યારે સોસાયટીના ગેટ પરથી જ ઇમ્પ્રેસ થઈ ગયા. એટલું સુંદર અહીંયાનું આયોજન પ્લાન્ટેશનથી લઈને આર્કિટેક્ચરલ પોઈન્ટ ઓફ વ્યૂથી
નેચરથી એકદમ સાથે છે અને તમે કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએથી જુઓ તો વિન્ડ ડિરેક્શનથી માંડીને દરેક વસ્તુ બહુ જ વ્યવસ્થિત બનાવેલી છે એમને.
Art of Planning.
Centrally located, easily accessible in the city center, very close to all sorts of amenities, malls, cinemas and everything.
J reflects justice to money and commitments to investors.
Customer, in the minimum money, he can accommodate his family in a small flat also with the maximum facilities.
પેમેન્ટ કન્ડિશનની જ્યારે અને ટર્મ્સ કન્ડિશનની જ્યારે વાત થઈ હતી અમારે પેમેન્ટ વખતે અને જ્યારે અમને એમ્યુનિટીઝ આપવાની વાત થઈ હતી અને જે બ્રોશરમાં જે વસ્તુ લખી હતી દરેક વસ્તુ એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ બ્રોશર પ્રમાણે જ આવેલી છે.
Y means years of experience.
કહેવાય કે આ સમયની અંદર જેને કોઈ બિલ્ડરની ડેફિનેશન આપણે આપીએ તો રાજ્યસ ગ્રુપથી શ્રેષ્ઠ હું તો કોઈ બીજું માનતો નથી.
A signifies authenticity, ultra-modern club class amenities with affordability. stands for smile to the clients and to the society by way of providing safety, security and satisfaction of customers with sterling construction. The group never compromises on client safety and quality of the structure. Satisfaction in terms of delivering projects in a timely and expeditious manner and the best after-sale services. Strict adherence to quality, environment, health and safety parameters. Earthquake-resistant RCC shear wall structures. Safety standards. Maintenance against ill health and injury of workers at the under construction projects. Raj Yash even shows the great concern for the laborers' children by providing education and nutritious food. Age suggests happiness to be the part of Raj Yash family by way of providing them healthy and active lifestyle and healthy and wealthy returns. The age also ensures overall happiness for the clients. Our TQR formula attracts most of the property seekers because we believe transparent dealings and quality of work will always improve our reputation. Transparency to us is an essence of business. We do never offer carpet area, but all the properties are provided net carpet plus wall area and never charged any hidden cost like AMC, AEC and other legal charges. Quality to us is ensuring the highest standards to be followed and offering the best product. Reputation to us is happiness and complete satisfaction of 2,100 plus happy families.
We are happy. Thank you, Rajesh Group.
I am happy. Thank you, Rajesh Group. We are happy. Thank you, Rajesh Group.
We are happy. Thank you, Rajesh Group.
I am very much happy. Thank you, Rajesh Group.
We are happy. Thank you, Rajesh Group.
We are very happy. Thank you, Rajesh Group. Rajesh Group rocks.
Faith and commitment on Team Raj Yash enables us to receive honor with the Best Building Award and the Best Affordable Housing Project from Guy Head and registration in Indian Green Building Council. Our landmarks delivered. Raj Yash, excellence endures. Thousands of our clients said yes to Raj Yash.
Well, I hope that you guys also take the right choice like us and give the people like Rajesh Builders, they are always ready to serve and help the needies.
Okay, Rajesh Group is the very best group and very well known group. એમના એમ્યુનિટીઝમાં જ્યારે અમે આવ્યા એમની સ્કીમમાં જ્યારે અમે ફ્લેટ લીધો ત્યારે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં અમને એવું થતું હતું કે આ રાઇટ ડિસિઝન છે, પણ જ્યારે અમે અહીંયા રહેવા માટે આવ્યા ત્યારે અમને ખરેખર બિલીવ થયું કે ના, ખરેખર આમની સ્કીમમાં જે અમે રહેવા માટે આવ્યા છે અને અમે જે ડિસિઝન લીધું છે અહીંયા રહેવા માટેનું એ ખરેખર બહુ જ સારું ડિસિઝન છે અને અમે બહુ જ સેટિસ્ફાઈડ છે અને એઝ અ હ્યુમન બિંગ ગ્રુપના બધા જ માણસો બહુ સરસ છે અને ખરેખર બહુ સપોર્ટિવ છે અને અમને ખરેખર બધી રીતે સપોર્ટ કર્યો છે અને એમની એમ્યુનિટીઝ, એમની દરેક સ્કીમ અને બધું જ બહુ સરસ હોય છે. તો તમારે જો ફ્લેટ લેવો હોય તો એકવાર જરૂરથી વિઝિટ કરો અને પછી દિલથી વિચારો, તમે જરૂર હા કહેશો.
Raj Yash. Raj Yash Rivera, 1 and 2 BHK Riverview Residence. Raj Yash Rivera incorporates the best and latest architectural concepts and therefore stands out from other housing projects. Inspired by the thought, quality living, the housing project has been conceptualized keeping in mind the activity-filled life with luxurious amenities of the modern era. This proud project is unique in its architectural quality and rich in its river view location, which would add value to modern day living and fresh environs for the residents. Raj Yash, excellence endures.